big shake. Oh, let's give them a big shake. Shake, 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 shake. I'm going to shake them. Shake. You were so good at looking in my ass. You ready? Shake, 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 shake. That's so funny, isn't it? So big one. Really big shake. You ready? Oh, shake, 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 shake. Shake in your arms. Give me your arms back. I'm going to do. Oh, thank you. There we go. Shake. Oh, honey, you look at me. Play with me. We're going to give it a big shake. Yeah, and we're going to give it a big shake. Oh, I'm shaking it. Give it a big shake on your arms. Okay, I'm going to shake your leg. You sit right down with me. Oh, you are so good. Let me sit down. Oh, there we go. Ready? Here we are. Whoa, giving your legs a shake. Whoa, shaking your legs. I'm going to shake this leg. Oh, Devin. I'm shaking your leg and your arm. Ready? Oh, shaking your arm. You're so good at playing a shake game. Oh, your whole body. Hi, Jimmy. You're so good at coming back to me. You are. You are. Oh, shake it. It's a funny one. Well, you can say shake. Shake your arms. You ready? This is my favorite. Shake. You're reading. Autism at home. Hi, yeah. A nice t-shirt. You want a shake? You want another shake? You can tell me. I know you have lots of good words. Shake, shake, shake. It's a good one, right? Oh, that was nice, honey. The word shake. Yay! Shake! Shake, 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 shake! You're so good at looking at me. Shake. Oh, there it is! Shake! Shake, 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 shake! Shake. Whoa! Shake! Shake, 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 shake! You're so good! 10 minutes, never mind half an hour. You're a really big shake this time. Big shake. Oh, yes! Big shake! Big shake! This time, I'm going to give you a slow shake. Then we're going to do a fast shake. Fast shake! Fast shake. That's fun, right? Yeah? Can you tell me? Shake. Oh, that was an amazing sentence. You're so good at telling me. You're so good at telling me. You are lovely. Knowing you're telling my eyes so beautifully. Yes. Shake. Oh, that was really nice. I would like a shake. I would like a shake. Shake. Oh, faster! That was nice. A fast shake. Quick, let's do it faster, faster. David, faster, faster, faster shake. Oh, that was really nice that you told me fast. That was so good. You can tell me fast shake anytime you want. I'm ready. Hi, thanks for coming back to me and playing my game. Good game. I'm ready. I'm ready to do another one. Oh, thank you for telling me. Thank you for telling me. That was so nice. If you remembered a fast shake. You're so good. Now, this time, I think I need to do a fast shake on your legs. I'm going to do a fast shake on your legs. Lie down again. Yes, lie down on your bum. You ready? Like this. There we go. You're so good at fast shake with your so good. You look at me all the time. All the time. You're so good. Your feet getting really hot. Oh. And you let me know if you want me to shake your arms or your legs. Say it again, I'll tell you which one. Your arms? Okay, stand up. Let's do a fast one with your arms. Okay, you're shaking on the ball. Taylor, when I shake on the ball. Oh, there is your feet. Shake at my feet. Oh, they're banging on the ball. Oh, squashing you. I give you a big squash. You're fun. You're so fun to play with. Oh, a squash again. Oh, a squash. And this one? Oh, that one. You're so cheeky. You're such a fun boy. Oh, come in. Come in. Yeah. Here it comes. Squash. Here it comes. Whoa, squash, 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 squash.